1 year now name main chick slash wifey. And when me say wifey, me no literally mean ring pan finger because if I man then no money for buying a ring put pan no finger to neither. Me mean the man main squeezy, main lady, him first lady, you know me attack. Alright, me get fi understand say I no go side chick alone a go like they no know them position. And I go side chick alone a come out of them lane. Some of as wife you go like a sky on drop from in a position or a look go no it. If that you not go do not go lose you no man. You understand? When me tell you something, me get fi understand say from some of in a position on start get lack of days, you start drop back, on start get complacent. And if you no do that you not go in a problem. Because just like every other else thing where you have to gain a position in if your performance drop back you go into problem. Side chick they are wait for no man and that you have to understand as a main chick. Side chick they are road dime a dozen a wait for no man for drop out on one. Just like how you just see a Jamaica dog stand up and look for somebody when them a eat with them tongue long out and then eye wide open look up in the ear wait for them food for drop out of them plate for them get their ground for them. If you never see one of them dog there would then look like it, me go show you because me I get drastic with the thing. Alright, number one, as a wife, you can't lie down in a bed a morning time, get make man get up out of bed left, you know. Them they suck their side chick position, stay now no lane. As a side chick, you can't lie down in a bed, make man get up left because man have to get up garden yard. As a wife, you know, say you have to get up left man and tidy out your house and get up and make if I even look at tea, give the man that when he get up in can belch. And next thing, somehow now run down wife position and me get to understand, say even cook no want cook. And me I tell you say alone, no go no do that because man love them belly. If you never know a man love near man, if you not cook with them all go road go find side chick and side chick we cook give them. No care what side chick for cook if and them all find the big fish and them all find the yellow yam. It no matter if them pick their figure at school without lunch money because that's so side chick tan. And next thing again you have to know as wife when you have no problem on your yard, don't carry a road go share with dirty nigga. No care who the person may be because you never know who the next side chick are gonna be. A side chick are gonna come as friend. Them all come in disguise, them all come as enemy, them all come as passerby. So when you attack, you don't know who you attack to. Some of them won't listen your business for any era where you complain to them. Say that you and your man argue about them or go to your man as at the era that them are best in, so you have to know what you do. When you have your man stress them, keep them on your yard and turn on your yard with them so tell you no agree or man stress kill you know. But no care them go road go share with girl me I tell you know these things. And next thing I can as a main chick you no can't too jealous, you no can't too ningi no can't do nanga. As a main chick, you have to give your man the benefit of the doubt. You have to trust your man. If you can't do them things that you know, say alright, you can't manage wife position because more than likely sometime you're not going to get a problem if you not end up with a good man. You have to know what you do. You can't too jealous and everywhere the man go, you have to go ask him what you go, when you not come back, who and you go and this and that. Man, now no time for them they up there. When you no ning nang and nang you know go make more space for side chick because when you no go on and where the man just come out and go on a side chick, lie down for easy mind and take deep and nang out and years. So no one do if you no can manage in a position, leave it alone. And next thing as me and chick, you're not supposed to be seen or heard. No, we're a road that argue with side chick. Them they up there with side chick we strive to do, but as a wife you have to know say you're a side chick now in the same category. The minute you do that or the minute you stand that drop, keep your safety yourself. If you have a problem, turn your yard and argue with your man about that, but not bring that a road to girl. You have to make them know say you and them in a one category. You have to make them know you and them in a one. And next thing again, me notice in the bedroom when you don't want to do certain things and at this so now I have a problem. I don't know if I want no grandmother used to do or no great grandmother used to do, but baby girl, I make you know say this is the new millennium. This is the 21st century and things and time change and different things that occur in a bedroom right now. And if you don't know do them, the man will go around go look somebody else where I do them. Who no feel if you understand is that side chick go above and beyond. Side chick them a go hard because they not go home. Side chick intention of to take away for your man. So if you get too complacent and don't want to do certain things, you go have a problem. Me make you know say the man them tired of the Mother Mary. The man them tired of the Mother Mary activities and have to get to the program. If you not get to the program, you not go get out of the program. You have to start curl up in a S now. You have to start straighten out like ruler. You have to do some extra curriculum activity or not go have problem. You can't say. Me never tell you no.